Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I must thank Taji for inviting us over and taking our opinion also. This is like a development by consent, so he's taking all the people into confidence, which is to be appreciated. We have, on my personal capacity, I have already expressed my concerns, and I have given some alternative suggestions as to how. We are not against the exit from Vasco City. Only the question is regarding the alignment. So we have given some alternatives also, which we will discuss in course of time.
So all the suggestions will be putting together, and as Dajibab has already said, आम्ही सगळे बसून जर कितें ते एक solution काडटले. So we have to consider other various factors which are affecting this proposal also, and accordingly we will take a decision.
In their office we had gone and सगळे आम्ही on paper पळयल्लें. So today we told them that you all show us practically on field how much length कितें मेळटा, our device P idea. So we have involved everybody, we have seen the dimensions. आमकां जाय तशें हांगा dimensions मेळटात if you go to see. But PI device P of traffic is also little practical that हांगा मातसो traffic block जावं शकता. So we are other options also through TB Kunna Chowk Tewtetlan. We are all exploring all options. And त्या खातीर आमी एक joint meeting with CM we will be taking very shortly. Chairman, MPTचो गेमान बिमान सगळ्यांक घेवन we will see what is best for the city. आमकां बेश्टेच घालें म्हण हांवें पयलेंय सांगलां तुमकां we will not go blindly based on paper this thing. Practicality पळोवपा जाय.